So the key, once you find an offer that converts, is to find an offer with affiliate tools so you can automate the follow-up once you start adding people to an email list when you're going to promote an offer like this one right here that converts up to $500 a sale. The more times that you can follow up with a lead, the more money you're going to make, or the more money you're going to earn in commissions. Of course, here you want to check out the affiliate page, and on the affiliate page they have swipes, resources, and tools. The things you're focused on right here are the email swipes. These are the things you're going to be able to copy and paste and put them into an automation using a simple tool like you see here, which is GetResponse, where you can actually add the email swipes from that product, edit them to your voice, and allow you to create a follow-up sequence or a set of email autoresponder emails that automatically go out to your leads that register on the squeeze page, of course, that you can make as well under landing pages here inside of the single tool, which is GetResponse. There's a link in the description. You can get started with GetResponse for free. And then what you do is you create a squeeze page like the one you see right here. If you don't know how to create a squeeze page using GetResponse, there's a video. I'll put a card up here in this one where I've walked through this process. But what you want to focus on again is finding that product that you want to promote. Again, this product called VidBullet, up to $500 a sale. I'm not saying you should promote this product. I'm showing you this as an example because they have a set of affiliate tools that includes swipes, and all you have to do is click to go over to the swipes, enter your information here, scroll down, and then what you see here are the actual swipes with the subject line as well as the body. Now, how do you set that up in GetResponse? You go back to manage autoresponders, and what you do is you pick when you want this email to automatically go out. So the first day is 0. The 0 day is when they sign up. Then what you want to do is click on day 1, which would be your second follow-up when someone signs up to your email list via the squeeze page here. Again, the world's easiest point-and-click video creation software. Sign up below for more details. Email address, name, see it now. And of course, that's going to link to the sales page that we got again from the offer that we're promoting here over on ClickBank. Go back to the autoresponder inside of GetResponse. It's under Tools. Simply click Tools. You can go down and click on Autoresponders. When you click on Autoresponders, it takes you to the autoresponders. Here you can see it in a list format, or you can see it in the grid format. If you want to see the number of days, of course, you can add as many days as you want to keep following up with them. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and we're going to say the first day. And in that first day, we're going to go ahead and call this VidBullet. And we're going to call it VidBullet Day 1, because remember, day 0 was instantly when they signed up. We're going to go ahead and link this to VidBullet. This is the email list that we created. Again, there's a video up in the card. You can check that out and walk you through how to set up a list as well as the squeeze page that we're using based upon that sales page headline. And you can see here, this is autoresponder day 1. And you can see here, you can set a delay or you can set it at an exact time. Here you can just say on day 1, meaning they sign up, they go into your email list, they get day 0, which is basically or effectively a welcome email to send them back to the product. Day 1 will be the next 24 hours, will be a follow-up. And then you can set your email address, and then here you set your subject line. Of course, we're going to go back to that swipe file, and we're simply just going to copy that. Go back into the subject line, copy that in there, click design message. Here you can pick from one of the pre-designed templates, or you can go to a blank template and you can select used template. It'll load that template up, and here you're just going to drag over a text element. Go back to the swipes, and here you're just simply going to grab your swipe copy that into the buffer, and then come over and paste it. And then of course you will edit this. It's all editable right here. You just have to come in, make sure that it makes sense, and also understand and make sure that you create your own copy from the copy they provide you. This is high converting email swipes, or these are high converting email swipes that they've put time and effort into because they want their product to convert, because the more money you make, the more money they make. but also understand that other people are using these, so you want to stand out from the crowd. So not only do you want to format this, you want to make sure that you change this up and you make it sound, or you make it congruent with your message. It comes from you, it comes from your voice, it comes from your brand. Simply do that and then select next. And then what you're going to do is scroll down and you're going to say save and publish. And then when you save and publish that, you'll see that VidBullet Day 0 and VidBullet Day 1 are set to go out and link to ClickBank VidBullet follow-up. You can see here I made a mistake. I didn't link it to the right list. So we'll simply go in here and we will edit that. And when that loads up, we simply link it to the right list by typing in VidBullet, and we scroll back down and we update that. And now you're going to see here that it is linked to the correct contact list. And we have Day 0 and Day 1. Go ahead and hit the grid there. You can see our Day 0, our Day 1. And again, you can link this to as many days as you want. And of course, if you don't want to send out an email on Day 2, or if you don't want to send email day after day, you can also just select a day every other day or as many days as you want. And of course, when you select that, you can also set here and you can say messages will be sent on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. And remember here, you can set a delay and you can also set an exact time. So you have complete control of when these emails go out. You have complete control in defining or when you set up your email autoresponder. You have complete control in the copy itself, but you have that done for you copy that you can copy and paste to get you up and running. Again, this is putting your email on autopilot. This is passive income in the world of affiliate marketing, because you're going to set this up once, and then as more people are added to your list via that squeeze page you created in GetResponse, they're automatically or automagically going to receive these emails as you set them up inside of the autoresponder to be delivered at the specific time, the specific date. So you will have the follow-ups in place. And again, this is where passive income starts. This is also how you make more money as an affiliate marketer, because all this is running in the background. You do it once and it just keeps working. And that is the way you set it up. It is super simple, but if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Also, check out the link in the description for my course, Affiliating. Get a free look inside to see exactly how I do this and set this up with a simple tool like GetResponse. Link in the description for that as well. And I'll talk to you later.